Surprisingly alright. I could use some work. I wonder if this guy even read the damn replies. Guess so. I should go in a separate file, maybe. So my party pin, some stuff. the const, so I'm not sure where this shit should live. It's just data. It can even just live in the function itself. Okay, GA palette. Oops, there we go. G, why G? G plus J. I don't know where this should live. There should probably be something like graphics effects engine, and this is part of its data where simulating CGA is like an effect, I guess. And the one where we change it on image load, I'm gonna just revert that. I'm not gonna use it. I might want to use it, why not? I wonder if, for the sprites, if it'll help with the CGA, if I first increase the contrast, do a contrast adjustment of the image to help edges come out for problems like so we had the problem earlier where we're down here and basically here, and then we go CGA. This is a mild concern. I'm just trying to think of a clever way to solve it. Like EGA, you end up with a little bit of black. Why doesn't that happen on the CGA? Oh, because it's all black. Everything ends up black. Ew. Might we ever want to do this in image load? For real? Is it an effect or what is it? I don't even know what to call it. Anyway, settings, effects. Alright. Really quick and cheap and simple, and just sort of a fun way to play around with the retro theme of the game. Settings menu. What? What? Fuck. Okay, option plus equal to diff. When you move. Weird code, man. Weird old fucking code of mine. It's terrible. There's a file called settings. What's in it? Because I don't remember having settings. Oh, we do have settings. What are these settings? Oh, these are not user settings. These are settings. Not the settings you read. But these are, yeah, I think these are the volume where it saves it and loads it. It's not the same as the retro settings. It is a setting, but the retro setting I'm not saving. I should let that take it to a donate page where people can donate money to me. Although no, if I collect money for this and they ever try to sue me for using the name Nukem, then they're going to say, look, you're trying to make money from our trademark. Oh, that looks horrible. Instructions, that looks good. Fine. See how the credits look. That looks great. Perfect. I'm surprised how good the game looks in CGA. I should try other CGA palettes as well. Because CGA had 4 palettes. CGA, but nobody knows about the others. So everybody knows about the famous cyan and magenta palette. Most people don't even realize that there are several palettes on the CGA. And this is another one, palette 3. Oh, I think in the lower res modes it could even do more. I'm not sure. It looks like it. But yeah, I'm not doing that. That's pointless. The whole point is to give that whole cyan and magenta vibe. Anyway, just trying to think how to solve that problem. The one in the CGA mode. Never mind. Up. Level F5. Yeah, these colors look so vivid now. Once I spend time looking at the CGA mode, and then I look at this, it's like these colors just look vivid. That looks cool. Those dots, blue dots. That really looks cool, actually. It's freaky. This level looks a bit boring. All this walls of giant wall of. I think it needs a little just aesthetic. Make it a little aesthetically more interesting. I'm gonna tweak the levels a little one of these days, just for fun, but not in a way that alters gameplay. Just like maybe add, like the water was added very late in the game. There's a nice water effect and it looks very cool. But the effect was added really late in the development, and so it's basically not used. So I want to add just a little bit more water here and there because it looks cool. Like there's hardly any of it. That's better. Okay. I'm not that good at this game. I don't know. Anyway. Okay. What I wanted to change in do menu. Oh, the default option. I want to retro settings. So there's already a file called settings. So then the settings menu should go where? Settings menu maybe. Yeah, make a new file called settings menu. Oh, that's what I wanted to do, right? If menu option less than size. So wait. No wait. Actually no, what we want to do is oh no wait. If size equal option and it's false, then option plus plus. So it goes. The idea is perfect. Not perfect, that's a mess. So wait, if key down menu option -1 option 1 home key. I think we need to add team members to the menu class. First active This could break things. I think I must do this in a separate commit. I don't feel nervous about that. Settings. It looks very weird. Very weird. Need to fix. When your code to handle this better. Web settings menu, additional stuff. The drop shadow should be bigger and go all the way around so that it's little bit of drop shadow above anyway as well. This background would look better, would look nice in EGA with dithering, black and white, black and blue dithering. That I think we should do on image load time. That's one advantage. Yes, if we want to do the dithering will work better if we do it on images at load time, the dithering stuff. If we want to try dithering, I don't. I just want to get this done. Alright. Hey man, jeez. This freaking mouse. Okay, git. Touch. Settings menu, or just settings. Settings menu, settings UI, settings dialog. No, settings. Later we might change it and add things to it and make it full on dialog. Could also have the volume there and options, checkboxes, it's in sound or things like that. So maybe we should just call it settings UI. Settings UI. Yeah. And then the actual effects. And yeah, we're gonna add this without encountering the fact that I'm trying to ignore the solution changes. That's alright, I can commit that. Maybe I should resave this as VS. I know, but that doesn't help us. Oops. Damn it. Oh no, I'll just add it manually. It's just a simple text file, jeez. You scared of a text file? Those data files shouldn't be in there. Either the DAT files. Still, they got nothing to do with the source code. They're just there for convenience to edit. But I mean, what are level files doing there? That's just bizarre. Okay, this still makes sense. Default having 1 levels. Oh, there are only 6 levels. That's sad. I think I must add some bonus levels. Or add the incomplete levels as bonus levels or something. Yeah, I can't anymore. Stop.